Are you looking to elevate your Apple Watch to the next level? Today, we're diving into the mod kit for Apple Watch case band, available for 45mm, 41mm, 40mm, and 44mm models. This luxury modification kit is designed to enhance the aesthetics and durability of your iWatch Series 8, 7, 6, SE, 5, 4, and 3 with its high-quality metal steel case. First off, let's talk about the build quality. The case is made from premium metal steel, giving your Apple Watch a robust and stylish look. The metal finish adds a touch of elegance, making it perfect for both casual and formal settings. Unlike standard Apple Watch bands, this modification kit ensures that your watch stands out with a luxurious appearance. The installation process is straightforward. The kit comes with all the necessary tools and instructions, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you can easily transform your watch in a matter of minutes. The precise cutouts and design ensure that all functions of the Apple Watch, including the digital crown, side button, and sensors, remain fully accessible and functional. Comfort is another key feature of this mod kit. The metal band is designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring that it sits comfortably on your wrist without causing any irritation. The adjustable links allow you to customize the fit to your preference, providing both comfort and security. One of the standout aspects of this mod kit is its durability. The metal steel case provides excellent protection against scratches, dents, and everyday wear and tear. This means your Apple Watch not only looks good but is also well protected, ensuring it stays in top condition for longer. In terms of style, the mod kit offers a sleek, modern look that complements any outfit. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or a casual day out, your Apple Watch will look sophisticated and polished. The variety of sizes ensures a perfect fit for different Apple Watch models, making it a versatile choice for any Apple Watch owner. The value for money is also noteworthy. Given the quality of materials and the transformation it brings to your Apple Watch, the mod kit is a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to upgrade their smartwatch experience. It combines luxury, protection, and functionality in one package. In summary, the mod kit for Apple Watch case band is an excellent choice for those wanting to add a touch of luxury to their device. With its premium metal steel construction, ease of installation, comfort, and stylish design, it significantly enhances both the look and protection of your Apple Watch. If you're looking for the best way to mod your Apple Watch, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.